Welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. Today's session will last 10 minutes and we will be focusing on sound. Please find a comfortable position, either sitting on the floor or sitting in a chair with your back straight but remaining comfortable at the same time. We will begin now by breathing in through our nose and out through our nose. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes or keep your eyes open with a slight gaze in front of you. Why do we want to focus on sound? By focusing on the sound, we're able to maintain and be in the present moment. Now, I would like you to be aware of any sounds that you may hear besides my voice. What sounds can you hear? Can you hear any sounds that are near you? Any sounds that might be far away? What about sounds that are inside of you, like your breath? Can you hear any sounds that are not constant? Maybe sounds that has silence in them. Again, I want you to know that it is natural to have thoughts come into your mind. We are not trying to stop thoughts from entering our minds. We just want to be aware when a thought enters our mind. Notice it. The thought comes, the thought goes, and then we bring our attention back to the sounds that we hear. Try not to get frustrated with yourself. As time goes on, this will get easier. Again, remember that our goal is to witness our thoughts, be aware of our thoughts, but not become intertwined with them. We want to only focus on the present, on the sounds that we hear. Homework that I would like you to try, if you're willing, is to listen to someone that's important to you for 5, maybe 10 minutes without any distraction. No cell phones or TV. And I would like you to pay attention to only the sounds, the words that are coming out from them. And then I would like you to compare that from another time, 5 to 10 minutes of when you are listening to them with distractions. This concludes our session for today. Thank you. See you tomorrow.